Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Chinese characters have gone through a few changes over the centuries. So sometimes there are characters that look very similar, but have different meanings. For example, this is today's character. And this is a different character. They look the same, don't they? But if you look at the origin of these characters and the context in which they are used, it will help to understand the meaning behind the characters. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of a mouth. This is how the character looks today. This character means mouth. When it's used as part of another character, it describes the actions of the mouth, such as eating, speaking, or crying. It is used in this word, 门口, which means entrance or doorway. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. The character that you see next to the main character depicts a person on their knees, and it means beg. A literal interpretation of this character would be a mouth begging for something. What could a mouth be begging for? Food. This character means eat. It is used in this word, 好吃, which means delicious. Let's see the next character. The character that you see below the main character means skillful. It takes skill to remember and call out someone's name. But if there are too many people in a crowd, it might be better to call out numbers. This character means name and number. It is used in this phrase. Can you find the character? This phrase means over 100 people. Here's another character. The character above means heavenly blessing, and the character below means heart. This character describes a whole scene where people gather together to be unified as one heart and call out to the gods for a blessing. This character means gather. And since people want to be blessed all the time, this character also came to mean always. It is used in these words, 总是, which means always, and 总结, which means summary. Here's the last one. From here, we will add the character for ear. If we ask for a blessing from the heavens, we would need to follow the directions coming from the heavens by listening carefully. This character means acute hearing. It is used in this word, 聪明, which means intelligent, bright, and clever. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.